Well, I got my goodies in over the weekend. I was really surprised. FedEx delivered on Sunday. So I got my amp kits. So I just got like 4 of these. Feel pretty heavy, but I gotta open them up to see if they're really OFC. Everybody keeps saying that they're CCA. So again, there's not any penalty for them lying. Just like, well, I want you guys to look at this one. This is the Javelin loaded. Dude, for as long as I think you order $100 worth, it's free shipping, and this one was only $80 shipped. Like, that's insane. Like, the woofer alone, like, again, JL Audio sells their W1, which is the same wattage. This is the Javelin for $300. That's nuts. But, well, it's not nuts because people are buying them, but I'm just saying that opportunity is there for you as well for reselling and things like that. But I wanted to give you an update on the NVX. I already showed you guys this before, but yeah, Nathan and crew over at Sonic Electronics decided to welch on the deal, and they're not going to honor the price. So that means they're going to get a bunch of returns. Try not to pay for the return because it's their fault or whatever. It's not like, you know, you didn't want to keep the good. It's a good woofer, but not for $200. For $100, it's a good woofer, but not for $200. So make sure you leave appropriate feedback on Amazon. They're probably going to just take a hit, and that's it, though. But yeah, I wanted to give Nathan a chance. But all the shit and rumors that I heard, I mean, that's how I got my boxes for cheap, because he wasn't paying on his boxes. So, but anyways, no honor among thieves. Stay away from thieves. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later.